You can now upload multiple photos inside of posts on your Mighty network. Let me show you how. So first you'll open up a quick post here, and then you will go to add photos. If you select that, it will open up your files on your desktop, and then you'll select the photos and click open. You can upload up to 6 photos per post inside of your Mighty network on web or on mobile. And after they upload, you'll have some editing options as well as some management options, which I'll show you in just a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and say, great hike on Butterfly Bridge yesterday. And you can add in emojis or hashtags inside of here, but I'm gonna go ahead and click post. I'm not gonna notify, and my post is live. Inside of these posts, what you can do is you can click on the actual photos themselves to get a full screen view and scroll through them. These little arrows here will minimize the screen. If you choose this arrow here, it will open up the image in a new tab. And then you have some editing options here as well. If you want to go ahead and edit this, you can remove certain photos if you accidentally uploaded a duplicate, and you can also add more photos as well to the post if you forgot to add one in. And then you just go ahead and click save. We hope you enjoyed the new feature. This feature is available inside of your Mighty network today.